multiply pi by 180. If you want to convert radian to degree, multiply 180 by pi of algebra, or this is a basic of number theory. Any number can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. If you want to convert degree to radian, multiply pi by 180. Why? Because pi degrees is 180, pi radians is 180 degrees. 315 divided by 8. Now how to convert this is important. Now this is in degree. Minus 229 degrees plus 1 by 11 degree. This is again in degree. How to convert degree to minutes? Welcome to the session, dear students. Today I am starting with one of the important chapters, that is trigonometric functions. So now in today's session, first introduction to angle means basically measurements and conversions. The very first thing is how to convert to radians. To convert degree to radian. If I give degree, how to convert it into radian? Degree to what? Radian. So in order to convert degree to radian, first the basic is pi radians is 180 degrees. Pi radians is what? 180 degrees. Pi means 180 degrees. So therefore, if I give x degrees, multiply x with what? Pi by 180. X degrees is equal to pi by 180 radians. This is the first basic. Second important thing is to convert radian to degree. Radians to what? Degree. How to convert radians to degree? So how to convert radians to degree? So if I give x radians, you can write x into 180 by pi degrees. Another important basics what you need. Always remember 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 1 degree is equal to how much? 60 minutes. This is a notation. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So these basics we use to convert. So in first exercise 3.1, we'll have conversions. We'll go for the conversion. The first, they want radian measures corresponding to the following to degree. Means they are in radians. They want you to convert this radians to what? Degrees. So give the following problems in the exercise. 25 degrees, minus 47 degree, 30 minutes, 240 degrees, 520 degrees. They want to convert all this radians to what? Radians. They want you to convert to what? Degrees. Degrees to radian. So find the radian measurement. They want radian measurement. So they gave degree. You need to convert it into what? Radian. How can you convert degree to radian? Just now I told you x degree can be written as x into pi by 180. If you multiply pi by 180, it will become radian. So now we'll do one by one. 25 degree. For 25 degree in radian is 25 into multiply pi by 180. Now divisible, you can divide it. 5 is a 25, 5 3 is a 15, 30, 5 6 is a. So after you divide, so therefore finally you will have 5 pi divided by what? 36. 5 pi by 36 radians. So 25 degrees they give, and we got the value. 25 degrees is exactly how much? 5 pi by 36. How we converted this? Simple. If you want to convert degree to radian, multiply pi by 180. Why? Because pi degrees is 180, pi radians is 180 degrees. So now second one, minus 47 degree, 30 minutes. See, before we go to this, first you should know the one part is in degree, one part is in minutes. Convert minutes to degrees. So for that, 30 minutes. 30 minutes is equal to 30 divided by 60 degrees. So this is in minutes. I want to convert in degrees. So divide it by 60. Because 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 30 minutes means 30 by 60. That is 1 by 2 degree, or we say 0.5 degree. Or let it be 1 by 2 degree. Because I want radian. So 1 by 2 degree. So now minus 47.5 degree into what? Multiply pi by 180. Pi by 180 you multiply. Both are divisible by 5. Divide it. Then further you can convert. So if I divide this, 5 9s are 45, 25, 5 5s are pi by 536 are 5 3 is a 15, 5 6 is 30. Again 9.5, can I write it as 95 pi divided by 360? So now simplify this. Further both are divisible by 5. Minus 5 1s are 5, 45, 5 9s are pi divided by 5 7s are 35, 10 2s are 19 pi by 72, minus 19 pi by 72. So therefore minus 47 degree 30 minutes, minus 47 degree 30 minutes. First I made it as what? Minus 47.5 degree. Then I wrote it as what? Minus 19 pi divided by 36 radians. This is the value. I hope all of you understood. So now 240 degree is equal to 240 into multiply what? Pi by 180. So if you do that, 0 0 cancels, 8 3s are, sorry 3, both are divisible by 6 if you can see. 6 4s are, numerator is 6 4s are, 6 4s are pi divided by 6 3s are, 4 pi by 3. So 240 degrees is exactly how much? 4 pi by 3. So how to convert degree to radian? Multiply pi by 180. Next we have 520 degree. Same 520 into, so they went 520 degrees is equal to 520 into pi by 180. Again you can cancel zeros. So divide with a number by which it is divisible. So now both are divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are divided by 2 9s are. Further they are not divisible. So 520 degrees can also be written as 26 pi by 9 radians. Further we have find the degree measures to, find the degree measures corresponding to the radian. Means they give radian, they want degree. So they want you to convert this radians, they give radians, you should convert them to what? Degree. And what is the basic? Basic is simple, x radians is equal to x into, if you want degree, multiply 180 by pi, reciprocal. Multiply what? 180 by pi, simple. Now first one 11 by 16. So they give 11 by 16. 11 by 16, can I write it as 11 by 16 into 180 by pi. And they also mentioned take pi as 22 by 7. So take pi as 22 by 7, because pi 3.14 22 by 7. So they want you to take 22 by 7. I'll write it on numerator. Now you can see 11 ones are 11 twos are. Again 2 ones are 2 90s are. Again these two are divisible. So I am left out with 90 divided by 16 into 7. Further you can divide, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are. So that's it. Further you cannot divide, so multiply. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 28 plus 3, 331 divided by 8. So now I got a fraction. 315 divided by 8. Now how to convert this is important. Now this is in degree, but I have a fraction. So convert this degree, fractional degree, and find its part. So first you should do regular division. So now I'll go on dividing this. So I hope all of you understood till this part. Just I'll compress this. If I compress this, simple, 11 by 16 is equal to 11 by 16 into 180 divided by pi you do. And they mentioned take pi as what? They told pi you should take it as 22 by 7, 22 and 7 I'll take. And 11 ones are 11 twos are, 2 ones are 2 90s are, and further 2 8s are, and 2 4s are 8, 5s are. So 45 into 7, you multiply that. So your 11 by 6, 11 by 6 becomes equal to, multiply, what is left out? 45 into 7 by 8 we have. So if you multiply this, 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 315 by 8. So till this part it is easy. Now what you should do? Use division method. So now 315 is not divisible by 8. So keep dividing it by 8. So all of you know 8 3s are 24. Take the remainder. First two digits I have taken. So you know the division. Keep dividing it. So 11 minus 4 gives you 7. And take this down. It will become 75. Then 8 9s are 72. Now we'll get a remainder. What is the remainder? 3. So now please understand this fractional part. So the fractional part, or 315 by 8 can be written as quotient plus quotient. This is quotient. This is remainder. This is divisor. So you can write it as what? Quotient plus remainder by divisor. So this 315 by 8 can be written as quotient. Quotient is 39 plus remainder. What is the remainder? 3 by divisor. What is the divisor? 8. So remember, given number can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. You know this is the basic of algebra, or this is a basic of number theory. Any number can be written as quotient plus remainder by divisor. The fraction can be written like this. Now we are 39 degrees is fixed. Now I want to convert this 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is the other fractional part. 3 by 8 degrees. 3 by 8 degrees convert it into minutes. So you know 1 degree can be converted into minute. 1 degree is how much? What is 1 degree, my dear students? 1 degree is exactly 60 minutes. So now I need to convert this 3 by 8. So that's why plus 3 by 8 into, I'll convert it into minutes, 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Now further simplify. If you simplify, that is 39 degree. To make you understand, I am writing elaboratedly, otherwise not required. It is divisible, 60 and 80. So you know 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4, 5s are. So 15 into 3, 45 by 2. So it will become 45 by 2 minutes. Now this is in minutes. But again we have fraction. 45 is not divisible by 2. Again do the same thing. So what you should do? Take 45 and keep dividing with 2. All of you know 2 2s are 4. Bring 5 down. Again 2 2s are 4. Remainder 22s are, remainder is 1. So now you can write the number. What is that? 45 by 2 can be written as 22 plus 1 by 2. 22 plus what? 1 by 2. So I'll write it as 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus half degree. Half minute. This half minute, again you convert it into what? Second. All of you know 1 minute is 60 seconds. What is 1 minute? 60 seconds. I have half minute left out with me. So I wrote given fraction. 45 by 2 can be written as quotient. Quotient plus remainder by divisor. I have done it. So now again I have half minutes. So further 39 degree, 22 minutes, half degree. half into half minute. Half minute means half into 60 seconds. Can I do this now? 60 minutes, 60 seconds. 1 degree is 60 minutes. 1 second is 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Dash means minute, double dash means second. So now half dash we have. Half minute is half into 60 seconds. So ones are 30s. So now finally 39 degree, 22 minutes, 30 seconds. So we got the answer. I hope all of you understood. Purpose, this is a first problem, so I elaboratedly wrote. So final answer, let me write this final answer. Final answer is what? 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. This is the answer. I hope all of you got this. So what is the basic we use? 1 minute is 60 seconds. This dash means 1 min. 1 min is what? 60 sec. Most important. Further, we have minus 4. Minus 4 radian, can I write it as minus 4 into, how to convert this radian to degree? 180 divided by pi. Again they told take pi as 22 by 7. So minus 4 into 180 divided by 22 by 7, I'll write it up. So now 2 2s are 2 11s are. So no other number is divisible. So now multiply. 182s are 360 into 7 divided by 11. So multiply this. So therefore allow minus 4 can be written as 7 zeros are 0, 7 6 are 42, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 25, 2520 by 11. So I am multiplying 7 6 are 42, 2 4, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 24, minus 2520. So minus 4 radian, I can write it as minus 2520 by 11 degrees. Always we should not leave it in fraction. So as usual, division method. So take that 2520 and keep dividing with 11 until it get divides and see what is the remainder. It is not divisible. So I'll take. So now 11 I'll start. 11 2s are 22. So remainder is 3. Take this 2. Again I'll take 11 2s are 22. So now it will be 10. I'll take 100. 9s are I'll take 99. I'll get 1. So now again further what I'll do, here I'll get a huge number. So what you should do, simplify this. R here this fractional part 2 I can write, and this 2 I can simplify and add whatever. So now in spite of this big number, I can write it as 229 degree minus as it is 229 degree plus, given number 2520 can be written as quotient plus, means this is quotient, plus remainder, this is remainder, by divisor. Divisor means with which I am dividing. So quotient, what is the quotient? 229 plus remainder. What is the remainder? 1 divided by divisor 11. So minus 229 degrees plus 1 by 11 degree. This is again in degree. How to convert degree to minutes? Multiply 60. So minus 229 degree plus 1 by 11 into, because 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 1 by 11 degrees, 1 by 11 into 60 minutes. So now this will become 60 by 11. It's not divisible. Again we'll convert this. So now we are left out with minus 229 degree plus 11 by, so minus outside 11 by 60 by 11 minutes. So now how to convert this minutes? So how to convert this minutes? Take 60 and do division. 11, 11 5s are 55. Remainder is 5, and further from this, that's it. So we can write this as what? Minus 229 degree plus quotient. What is the quotient? 5 by 5 plus remainder by divisor. See here 229 I wrote. So similarly 5 by 11. So this is in minutes. This is also in minutes. Now convert this to seconds. So it will become minus 229 degree plus 5 minutes, 5 by 11, again 11 by 5, 11 by 5, it will be in fractions, that is, or we can write, okay, 11 is a greater number, so you will get decimal, 0 point. So 5 by 11, or okay, seconds you want to convert, multiply by 60. So this 5 by 11 into, 1 minute is 60 seconds, I will multiply 60 seconds. See here, I want to further simplify. Simplification is easy here. This is in minutes. See, first we got 5 minutes and plus 5 by 11 minutes. So that again I want to convert this particular minutes to seconds. So I'll multiply this. With 60, again do the same process. 6 5 is 30, so it will become 300 divided by 11 and write it in seconds. See here, this was the thing, I multiplied 60, then I'll get a number, then I made it, then I divided that and I wrote, after I multiplying by 60 seconds by 11, so 60 by 11, 60 by 11 can be written as 5 plus this part I will convert 5 by 11. 5 by 11 how to convert? Again multiply 60. So here to cast that, again keep dividing it. 11 2s are 22, 8, 11 7s are 77, 3, that's it. So you can write this as what? The given number can be written as minus 229 degree, 5 minutes, and this can be written as 27 seconds into 3 by 11. 27 plus 3 by 11, quotient plus seconds. So, sorry, this is minutes. Minutes, this quotient is minute and 11 by 3 seconds. So convert this, you will get the answer. So now 27 seconds, again the fraction continues. So you can leave it here. So therefore, finally you can convert. See here, after you get this, we made it seconds and this. So we can conclude this. So finally, minus 4 can be written as minus 229 degree 5 minutes 27 seconds. You can stop it here. Now 5 pi by 3. This is easy. Simple technique is 5 pi by 3 is equal to what? Multiply pi by 180. 180 by pi. 180 by pi. It is easy. Pi cancels. No headache. 3 ones are 3. 60s are. So 6 5s are 300 degrees. Or in the place of pi put 180 degrees, that is also fine. Now 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 multiply what? 7 pi by 6 into 180 by pi. So pi cancels. You will get 6 ones are 6 30s are. So 210 degrees. Or otherwise, you can also say 7 pi by 6 means just in the place of pi put the value of pi. What is pi? 180 degrees. So 6 ones are 6 30s are 210 degrees. It will be faster. So whenever there is pi, in the place of pi, if you want degree, 180 degree if you put also, it is better. So now, it is better. So all the problems, conversion of degree to radian, radian to degree I taught you. In my next session, some word problems depending on measurements are there. We'll go ahead with the same. I hope all of you understood this. So we use division method to convert the fractional part to minutes and seconds. That is most important. So we have done all the problems for conversion of degree to radian and radian to degree. 1 degree is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. And by division method, you can write the given fraction as quotient plus remainder by divisor. That is the basic we took. And pi is equal to 180 degrees. Pi radians is 180 degree. If you want to convert degree to radian, multiply pi by 180. If you want to convert radian to degree, multiply 180 by pi. So by this, I conclude the session. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.